This is so exciting to have so many of you here. I have to tell you, I'm Councilmember Pam Foley, and I represent District 9 in the city of San Jose, which is south of Willow Glen, north of Almaden. I am here co-hosting this event with Assemblyman Evan Lowe. A couple of weeks ago, I became really frustrated in the hatred and anger we were seeing targeting our Asian Pacific Islander community. So I reached out to the Assemblyman, who is a leader in this regard as well. We quickly threw together this event, and this is the result. It is amazing that so many people are here with just a few social media tweets and posts out there. Thank you for coming. This shows me how important this event is. I'm proud to be here alongside Assemblymember Evan Lowe to voice our support for the Asian Pacific Islander community here in San Jose and the Greater Bay Area. Asians and Pacific Islanders contribute to the rich and diverse culture that we are so lucky to have here in San Jose. It pains me deeply to see the hate and violence that has been perpetuated against the Asian Pacific Islander community, especially against our elders. That's why we're here, to denounce these despicable acts and to affirm our commitment to support our fellow Asians and Pacific Islanders. In the past year, we have been assaulted by a deadly pandemic that knows no race nor ethnicity. But bad actors have been espousing dangerous and false rhetoric about this pandemic. Rhetoric that has unfairly put a target on the backs of the folks in the Asian Pacific Islander community. I am so happy to see the huge amounts of support here. Thank you so much to Assemblymember Lowe for including me in putting together this event. And thank you to everyone here who has showed up to extend their support, including the Mayor of San Jose and my City Council colleagues. Now is the time for non-Asian allies to stand up in solidarity with our Asian and Pacific Islander neighbors. And to